What's up, Bender fam? Steven from Trailbenders Overland. We just got this med kit from What If Survival, and it was so well done that I figured I'd share it with you guys. So if you notice on the front here, you have a tourniquet to stop the bleeding, you got your trauma shears, you also got your seatbelt cutter as well as your window breaker. You also notice the MOLLE on here. That's good for attaching other equipment if you need to. On the back here, you have your paracord and your compass, little knife, and you can wear these as a bracelet, which a lot of people do, especially if you're going out on a hike or something like that. Good piece of gear. One thing on the back also, you got the MOLLE again, but what's really cool is you have this quick release right here, so you can actually mount this to any MOLLE or like inside your vehicle or whatever, and just quickly attach it and detach when need. So on the right side, I mean, you could pack this however you want, but you have a chest seal, bandages, you also have little gauze here, nasal pharyngee, your rolled gauze, which is your click clot, saline, also thermometer, just little items here and there. This is your microfiber shield for doing CPR. On the left side, we've got some more gauze, tape, so your rescue blanket, more bandages, burn dressings. This is going to be your Band-Aids, your antiseptic towelettes, and then you're also going to have like your iPads, and then just different varieties of gauzes that you're going to use in different scenarios. And so in this pouch, this is pretty much your medicine cabinet. You're going to have your latex gloves, your antibacterial wipes. Also, you're going to have your aspirin and little things like dehydration tablets, stuff like that. And that about wraps it up for this med kit. I'll put a link in the description down below where you can get redirected over to his website so you can see a full breakdown list of what's actually in the kit. Big shout out to What If Survival for sending this out to us. It is definitely Trailbenders approved. If you like this video, hit that like button. Consider being a part of the Bender fam by subscribing to our YouTube channel, hitting the notification bell, because you'll be notified when we release new content. This is Steven from Trailbenders Overland, out.
If you haven't yet, head over to our online store to check out the awesome gear we use and all the new merch. Link in the description below.